The next thing to do is to open the QuickCam Pro software, which is the 3D software. This won't do you much good, so open this one. We'll double click on that, and once this is opened up, what we need to do is to browse to find the STL file that you recently saved. So we go to 3D model. Now this is the one that I saved, Big Yang Pad, so I'm going to click on that and open it, which brings it into the software, and then we hit next. Now this orange object here represents the side of the car that is going to be machined by the program that you're creating, and of course by adjusting these things here we can adjust which side is being machined. The next thing to consider is the cutting depth. Of course every car will have side machining, but side machining only goes halfway across the width of the block. So whilst 21mm might be halfway across the block, we have to allow for the radius on the ball end of the cutting tool. So in fact we adjust this depth down to 24. You might be interested to see this. If I reduce that depth, you see how this is giving us a visual indication of how deep the machining is impacting on the model that we've imported. So once we've got this must be minus 24. Then we click next, and we need to auto size the billet. So we click this first and then next. It's very important also at this stage that we check here that the scale is 100%. If it's not, we need to find out why. Otherwise we run the risk of damaging the machine. Now if that is 100%, now we can click next. This is all okay, so we go next. This is all okay, next. And here we want to just check that the 6mm ball nose is selected, because that is the cutting tool. Of course, the machine needs to know what size and what type tool you're putting into it so that it can calculate how to cut all of this out.